Hello everyone, welcome back to Crafty Magic by Kazue. In today's video, I tried loom knitting from 100 yen shop. This loom is from 100 yen shop called Seria in Japan. I'm using orange, white and black yarn. This is a 100% acrylic. I prefer wool, but I just could not find them. It is a quite chunky yarn. I'm following the instructions for the beanie, but I would like to add cute fox ears on the beanie. That is my plan. This loom has 40 pins and measures about 86 centimeters. To be honest, I was a little bit skeptical about might going to be too big, but it was fine. To begin, I just made a single knot and go ahead and looped around all 40 pins like this. And push down the yarn like this to make a room for the second loop. To do a stitch, you will need 2 loops per pin. There is a groove to guide the hook. This is a second row that I'm knitting. I'm doing second looping one by one here, but doesn't have to be this way. I'm releasing the yarn that I secured in the beginning. Here you can see I'm finished with the second row. Here you can see I looped around all in one go, and go ahead and stitch pin number 40. That will secure the working yarn. Also, you don't want to have yarn to be too tight. Keep stitching until you have 20 rows. I'm counting pin number 40 and pin number 1. Pin number 1 was 1 stitch short, so I'm adding 1 more stitch. We are going to make double this part. I'm just wrapping around the excess yarn to be secure. And just loop over all the way around. Just because bulk from the excess yarn, I'm a little bit struggling here. And start regular stitching again. This time you want to stitch 21 rows. This is the leftover from the one ball. We are going to close top of the beanie. And pulling the yarn to close the opening. Add a few stitches to secure. This is the fun part. We are going to add ears. Now, disclaimer, I am not expert on knitting, so this is the best ear that I can come up with. First, we are going to crochet 15 stitches. Then count 3 stitches. Then we are going to start second row. We are going to single crochet on one loop. For the second row, we are going to do 13 stitches. This is the end of the second row. We wanted to decrease, so we are going to skip the stitch. Chain 1, and we are going to turn our ear. For the third row, we are going to decrease again, but this time single crochet on 2 loops. This decreasing helps to form the triangle shape, and we are going to do 11 stitches. going to turn our ear. For the fourth row, we are not going to decrease. I found that if we keep decreasing, the triangle shape becomes too steep. So do 11 stitches. Chain 1 and turn our ear. This is our 5th row. We are going back to decreasing until the end row, which is the 10th row. We are going to crochet around using black yarn. I think these colors makes this fox. In other words, you can turn into other animals. For example, if you made Beanie in black and also ears in black, that will make a black cat. For the cat, ear doesn't have to be so big, so I would skip this crochet around part. If you made this fox beanie or any other animal beanies, please share #craftymagicbykazue. Just stitch those ears onto the beanie and we are done. I stitched ears keeping those round shapes. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video, please give a thumbs up. I will have many crafting videos coming up on 2019. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you on my next video. Bye!